Welcome to How to Keto. Today we're going to do a really quick review of the Keto Biscuit Mix by Low Carb, KARB, that has 2 net carbs per biscuit. Really good. This is going to be a definite recommend, and just going to show you the end result. So this is kind of what it comes out like. Really biscuity, looks like genuine biscuits, smells like biscuits. Cut it in half, you kind of see the inside looks a lot like regular biscuits. So everything about this is really, really good. So this is definitely a recommended. So we made one with meatloaf as a meatloaf sandwich, and then we just made one with butter, and it was delicious. So it's a definite must try. 2 net carbs, this brand. So we got this on Amazon, and it's really, really simple. So you preheat to 350, mix and prep 5 fluid ounces of water, 8 ounces of heavy cream, and the contents of this bag. You mix it up, put it in the oven, you bake it 14 to 20 minutes, and then you get that. So definitely you must get this and try this if you like biscuits, and they are absolutely delicious. And at some point, we're eventually going to show you how to make this, which is the best and last keto mac and cheese you'll really ever need to make using Velveeta cheese. Very bonus footage.